Oh, Linda. I cannot tell you how elated I am to have this unfortunate situation brought to a satisfying resolution. Your associate can dispense with her burden by piling the funds upon the table.
There's no gold, Ferret. Now you cough up my fiancé from whatever filthy corner you're keeping him in, or my associate is going to start collecting heads and piling them upon the table.
My initial judgment of your character was clearly misguided. You possess some heart after all. Lads, tear it out.
The taller they are... I can't be hit, because you are shit! Lightning doesn't strike twice! I'll gut you, Whoa! What the hell was that?
See what you get? Oh, you got it good.
Gunpowder is the most destructive tool ever devised by man. It has forever changed the face of warfare, allowing an
Your men are dead,
untrained
Ferret.
peasant to kill
Unless
a
you want to
highly
join them,
disciplined
let us
professional
in.
soldier
It's
with
open.
virtually no effort. Scholars have begun to speculate. Could this formidable development destroy the concept of chivalry? Perhaps even that of mercy? Only time will tell, and this troubling debate has only just begun. Also,
You brought this
gunpowder
on
is
yourself,
used
Ferret.
in fireworks
This
to
didn't have to
celebrate
happen.
various
It
occasions.
still
And
doesn't.
if you like
We merely
even
got
a
off on the
quite
wrong
small
foot.
one in your hand,
I'm no
it
threat
will
to you
hurt
without my
very, very
men,
badly.
and I'm only
I
too
cannot
happy to
overstate
return your
how
fiancé.
unthinkably horrible
I can be
the
quite
pain is.
accommodating.
Get on with it then.
Well, the thing is, he's not actually on the premises exactly at the present time. He's incarcerated within a nearby facility, shall we say. That access hatch will provide you with, well, access.
The sewer? You fellows are a sophisticated lot. Please, go and get him. I'll keep an eye on Ferret.
A gun. I really did mischaracterize you.
Yeah, well, I live in a bad neighborhood. I wonder whose fault that is. Now don't move.
Elliot!
I thought you were... I thought you were gone. Do you know how hard I've tried to forget you?
I never forgot you.
The last time I saw you, that day in the throne room, that was the most horrific day of my life.
Today's not going to be great either if we don't get you out of here. Come on.
I can't do this. You can't save me again like that day.
This isn't like that. This time, no one gets hurt.
Just when I think I have everything sorted out, you come back into my life. Are you okay? That's one left to worry about. Is that all of them? You were amazing. There she is. I've never seen anything like that. It was like something out of Walter's stories about your mother. You're a hero.
It's not all it's cracked up to be, believe me.
Things are becoming clearer to me now. When Logan started to behave so appallingly, I told myself he wanted to prove his strength by seeing off a few agitators. But it's more insidious than that. Taking lives is brutal, but to take away hope, to force an entire kingdom to live in fear, that's true tyranny.
It's going to take more than a hero to stop him. It's going to take a full-scale revolution.
Glad you're here.
Welcome to the sanctuary.
Thank you for saving me. I don't just mean today. I should have thanked you back in the throne room, but I just felt so guilty.
I made the choice that day.
And I hated you for it. Feeling that those people died because of me. It was awful beyond words. But there was something worse. Deep inside, I felt happy. I felt happy, even as they were dragged away, that I was still alive. I'm so sorry.
You have nothing to be sorry for. Anybody would feel what you did. It was a horrible situation, and the only one to blame for it is Logan.
Well, now that I've said all that, thank you.
You're welcome. Should be almost back to Linda.
Oh, bloody hell, Linda. What am I going to say to her? Wait, I have to tell you something. Linda is the most... well, she's the second most amazing woman I've ever met. She started that shelter from nothing, and she keeps it going despite Ferret and Reva. Working with her felt... right. After all those years in the castle doing nothing. Then somehow, it became about more than work. I felt something I hadn't since you. And now you're back. Oh, this is maddening! Here I am pouring my heart out and you haven't said anything. Do you want to give me a consoling hug and say, do the honorable thing? Or grab me and kiss me and tell me to come back?
You said you tried to forget me, and I understand why. But I'm back now.
Oh.
And I'm so glad you are. Listen, I need time to break it to Linda. Please, say nothing now, then find me at the shelter in a few days, and we will be together. I love you. It's not going to be easy getting back to the surface, but let's get it over with.
Elliot! Ow, my head! That weasel, Nigel Ferret, must have struck me when my back was turned. Oh, darling, thank goodness you're all right. You've saved the love of my life. I'm forever in your debt. Thank you for everything. I was so worried about you.
I'm here now.
I love you.
I love you too.
Welcome to the Sanctuary.